Welcome back as we proceed to use a bench grinder in order to dress a typical cold chisel. The bench grinder is the ideal tool to use in order to restore dull edges and mushroomed ends of cold chisels. A convenient water tray will be necessary for cooling the work from time to time. With the machine running, hold the chisel firmly. Rest the shank against the tool rest and bring the cutting tip against the face of the wheel. The angle of contact must be that of the chisel's cutting edge, which is approximately 60 degrees. Use the tool rest as a guide and a steady as you lightly press the tip onto the wheel's face and move it to and fro across the face of the wheel. After 3 to 4 seconds, dip the chisel into water to cool it. This will prevent the tip from becoming soft through overheating. Repeat the procedure on the other edge of the cutting tip. Cool the tip frequently. And remember to move the work across the face of the wheel. Continue dressing the edge until you achieve a 120-degree edge like this, that is uniform and sharp. The striking end is dressed to prevent it chipping and causing injury. The end is worked across the stone face and turned simultaneously. Hold the chisel at a 45-degree angle. Cooling is necessary at frequent intervals. Dress the end until you have created a 45-degree chamfer and removed all traces of the mushroom effect. Switch the machine off and let it slow down and stop by itself. Never try and stop the wheels by grinding. The only portion of a wheel that can be used for grinding is the face. Never grind on the edge or side of a bench grinder's wheel. After the practical break, we shall demonstrate another work procedure.